We begin this bulletin with the big breaking news coming in from Pune, where a bridge has collapsed. The death toll has now been revised to 4. The NDRF rescue operations are still underway in Pune, and approximately it is said that about 100 people had gathered over an old bridge in Pune, which is over the river Indrayani, and that's when the bridge collapsed due to the strong current of the river. Right now, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has announced that the state government will provide a financial assistance of 5 lakh to the families, and also a structural audit of all the old bridges in the state have been ordered. For more on this, let's cut across to Onkar Wable, who is in Pune. Onkar, what is the situation of the rescue operations currently there?
Well, till now, 4 dead bodies have been recovered by the NDRF team. Almost 38 people saved from this bridge collapse accident. And now I'm standing exactly on the shore of Indrayani River, where the rescue operation is underway. They are trying to cut that debris of the collapsed bridge, and dead bodies might recover from the same bridge debris. So, just 5 minutes ago, 2 more dead bodies recovered from the same location, and now rescue operation is still underway. NDRF, 3 teams of NDRF, also PDRF, local fire brigade and district administration along with the police administration reached here. Also CRPF is here to help. But the issue is it was an old dilapidated bridge. If you see nearby, there is there are no village or people who stay here. But the issue is, it was just a single lane bridge. Local villagers used to use this bridge just for a walk or to cross the river. But today, after the rain and orange alert declared by the IMD, people, just because of Sunday, people were gathered here. Some tourists came here. Almost 100 people were here on the same bridge, and then the bridge collapsed due to overweight. And even now, the boats are deployed. They're changing their sides in the river. Different bodies are being recovered, so identification is still underway. But the injured people, they already sent back to the hospitals, nearby hospital, and treatments are underway. But now operation is still going on. Boat direction, also motors and hexablades, everything is there. NDRF team is continuously working on it. But after the sunset, light issue is here, and that is why obstacles are increased in this whole rescue operation.
Right, absolutely. Onkar, thank you for bringing us those details and showing us the rescue operations that are being currently, that are ongoing at the location. Light is gone, it's dark, it's becoming challenging by the minute.